Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to auto tag tasks using AI in Todoist. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to auto tag tasks using AI in Todoist, all you can do is simply go to Todoist. So once you're in your Todoist, you need to simply tap it on. So you need to make sure that Todoist does not have a built-in feature that uses AI to automatically apply tags to newly created tasks. So all you gotta do is simply go and tap open Zapier. Once you tap Open Zapier, you need to simply log in into your account and you can use it as a third-party automation tool. You can simply set up a Zap and you can simply set up trigger in it and you can simply select trigger as an incomplete task that is added in Todoist, and in the action you can simply select an AI like Perplexity or Custom GPT. Now in the action you can also select Todoist for the automation platform, and this is how you can auto tag tasks using AI in Todoist. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.